Okay, third quarter, let's go.
Manit!
Running shot and one. By Pancha, 38-32. Pancha, basket. 3-point or 3-point play. 39-32. Placer, kick out. Aquino, bad pass. Bola rito ng Team El Viola.
Ten seconds.
Oh,
Rolling!
that's a travel. Bola rito ng El Marne. Kick out. Mayano. Running shot, no good.
Foul.
There's a foul.
Number 10. Second personal foul. First team foul. Forward.
First shot.
Basket.
And a basket count and one.
Foul number 7. 17. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Another rebound. What a pass.
Basket by
Basket
Morales.
by Morales. Mahabol na ang Marne.
Foul.
There's a foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Wide open shot. Oh, good. And out of bounds.
Moneyball.
Bola rito ng Marne. 39-36. Placer, nagmamadali. Kick out. What an extra pass. Number 13, no good. Rebound. Ayan na, 2 against 1. Pascual all the
Basket
way.
by Pascual.
Number 71, dire-diretso. And a steal. Makuha ng El Viola. Oh! There's a foul. 5 plus
Foul number 3.
Uy. Pascual, running shot.
No
And
good.
kick out to Pascual for 3, short. Placer all the way and one. Basket down and one for Placer. Ayun na, babae na lang sa tatlo. Ang hinahabol ng Marne. One shot for Placer.
Basket by Brazil.
Basket for Placer. Babasa dalawa ang lamang ng El Viola. Number 10. Cross court. Number 7. Drive. Uy, walang tawag. Warning for picking a foul, number 30.
Number 30.
Oh,
Warning.
good. Blaser, nagmamadali. Pass to Mercado, miss. And a rebound, Mercado, miss again. Ayan na, ang El Viola, against a foul.
Foul. Number
Aquino.
30. First.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 13, wide open. Bang!
Three.
Three. By jersey number 10. Kick out. Mayono for 3, no? Wala nagagawa, and that's a trouble.
Running.
Violation. Mayono drive, miss. Back number 7, drive.
Basket by Lamagi.
Ayan, shoutout po kay Kap. Ayan na, ang ating council. Kap Kabawag. Hello, Kap. Ayan, happy viewing po. Kapitan. Kabawag, 4-3. Bang! For Mercado. 46-42. Number 10. Pass number 7. 4-3, wala. Other pass. Number 66. Basket is in. By Mercado.
Official score 36-34 in favor of Lauro Viola.
Ayan, timeout muna rito ang El Viola. 44-46. 2-point lead para sa El Viola. Time remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds on the game clock. Bola po rito ng El Viola. Up and under drive, no good. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino, munti ka na magawan. Outlet pass, here comes number 77, kick out. Mercado for 3, no good. And a steal by Blaser. Blaser, kick out to number 71. Back to Blaser from the corner, no good. And a rebound ng El Viola. Number 8, fake. Pass to Pascual. Kick out from the corner. Pascual on in. Binale, wala. And a rebound by number 8.
10 seconds.
Wait lang daw, sabi number 8. Stop and pump. In and out. Rebound by Blaser. Blaser nagmamadali. Pass number 71. Number 71. Bumangga. Wala. Rebound. Pascual to Pascual. On in. Wala. And a rebound by Aquino. Number 71. Kick out to Mercado. Wide open. Basket. for Mercado. Ayan na, change favor. Lamang na ang Marne ng isa. 47-46.
10 seconds.
Babawi si Pascual. In and out. Rebound by Aquino. Pass number 77 to Mercado from elbow. Wala. And a rebound by Pascual. On in. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Pascual. Isaiah. To number 7. Bounce pass to Pascual. That's a push and foul
Number 8.
by jersey number 8.
Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Bola rito ng Marne. Blaser. 4-3. In and out. Rebound ng Alviola. Uy!
Basket.
Binitahan. Change favor para sa mga naka-blue. Number 71. Nakabawi.
Basket by Morales.
Ay Morales. Sagutan lang. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa Marne. 49-48. Pascual standing on the play. Pass to Onin. Pascual. Nabitawan. Pascual and gets a foul.
Number 45.
Number 45 on the free throw area. Number 17 Onin.
Third personal foul.
Pascual.
Penalty.
First shot is good.
Basket.
1 minute and 41.
No good.
Wala pa rin. For the second time. Rebound ng Marne. Morales. Pass number 2. Drive. No good. And a rebound by number 2.
Dragon.
Out of bounds. Lamig. Tabla tayo sa 49. Pascual, wala. Another rebound for Pascual. Pass to number 8. Floater basket by number 8. Morales to number 2. Wala. And a rebound. Bounce pass to number 8. Running shot. Wala pa rin. Kick out to number 8.
10 seconds.
Stop and pump. Wala. Last 42 seconds. Mayon, oh. Kick out. Mercado for 3. Oy, wala.
30 seconds.
Steal by Mercado. Last 27. Mercado for 3. Yes, para sa 3.
20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Ayan na, nag-iinit siya.
10 seconds.
Mercado, last 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, number 8, in and out.
And on the third quarter.
End of the third quarter, official score 52-51 in favor of.
Marne.
Grabe ang pinapakita dito ni Mercado sa ating second half.
Live pinagkansan mo nila.
Saan mo tayo, Kap? Shout out, Kap! Hello! Ayan, oh. Hello po. Ayan. Yes, thank you, Kap. Thank you sa honor.
Thank you to my sponsor, the Mayor Francis
Ayan.
Cora, Tony Combel, Vice Mayor Antonini, and Cheryl Ross, to the Mayor, and all the Councilor James Yap, Desi Garda, and Mark Jerome Padre. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tata.
Thank you. See you. Mamaya, makita ulit tayo. Ayan, si Kapitan Hapamag, Barangay St. Joseph. Thank you, Kap. Ayan, it's an honor po na makover ang inyong liga dito po sa Barangay St. Joseph. 52-51. Balik na tayo sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya tatanghaling third place? Blaser for 3 and gets the foul.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Third personal foul. First team foul.
That is third personal foul. First team foul. On the free throw area, Blaser. First shot, missed. Second shot for Blaser.
Basket.
3-point pala yun, sorry. Second shot for Blaser. Blaser, well up. And a rebound by Pascual. On in, cross-court pass. Isaiah. Pass number 7. Number 7, drop. Steal by Mayono. Blaser nang tatakbo all the way. Too strong. Blaser again.
Basket by Blaser.
Get their own miss. 55-51. Apat na ang lamang ng Marley. Number 7, running shot. Wala, rebound, Pascual. And gets a foul.
Number 3. Second personal foul. First team foul.
By number 3. The shots for Isaiah Pascual.
No good.
Missed the first shot. Second shot. Basket.
Basket by Pascual.
Ayan na. Humahabol. 53. 55-52. Morales. Pass to Blaser. Cross-court pass. Mayono. Jump shot short. Rebound. Number 8. Up and under. Basket. Ay, number 8. Ayan na si Mayono. Nagmamadali. And a steal. Last
19
time.
seconds.
Same ball. Second shot, lock to shoot. Morales, pass to Blaser. Back to Blaser.
10 seconds.
Blaser wide open. In and out. Rebound by Mayono. Jump shot, no. Rebound by Aquino. Oy!
Basket by
Nice
Morales.
move by Morales. 57-54. Isaiah Pascual. Drop pass. On in and offensive foul for Oni.
17. Second personal foul.
That is second
Second
personal
team
foul.
foul.
Second team foul. Blaser. Pass to. Kick out. Morales for 3. No. Rebound by Pascual. On in. Pass number 8. Stop and pop. Bang!
Basket.
Ayan na. Isa na lang. 57. 56. At the post. Oy. Mercado.
Second.
Pass to Blaser. Sa gitna. No. Rebound Bayonin. Tumatakbo ang mga naka-blue. Number 8. Stop and pop again. No. Walang tawag. And a rebound by Morales. Morales. Nagmamadali. Morales. And gets a foul.
Foul number 17.
Number 17.
Personal foul.
That is third personal foul. Second team foul. Sub.
Substitution.
Remaining time, last 7 minutes. Morales. Oh, and a steal.
10 seconds.
Over. Morales, pass to Aquino. Wala.
Over.
Rebound ng Alviola. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Aquino. Blaser nagpapadali. Blaser and gets a
Foul
foul.
number 7.
Number 7.
First personal foul. 14 foul.
On the free throw area, number 3, Blaser. First shot para kay Blaser. Basket.
Basket by Blaser.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Blaser. Wala.
Never.
Rebound by number 7. Number 7 setting on the play. Wide open. No. Rebound by Mina. To number 8. Bam! Ayan na. Tabla tayo. Sa 58. Blaser. Pass to Mayono. 4-3. In and out. Foul number 8.
Number 8. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Alviola under penalty situation. Two shots for Morales. First shot para kay Morales. Basket.
Basket.
Balik ang kalamangan sa morning.
Relax ka lang dyan. Siyempre na.
Basket.
Basket again.
58-60.
Hindi namin mararanasan sa arena. Dito na lang. Tira dyan!
Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by Mayono. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Mercado. Nabi naman si Mercado. Nakakailang putos na yun. Alviola basketball. Number 8. Pass to number 7.
10 seconds.
Number 10. Reverse layup.
Basket
Basket.
by net.
I'm out, Marnie. Official score 62-60 in favor of the team, Marnie. Time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Back to the ball game. 62-60. 2-point lead for Marne. Blaser, 4-3, no. Basket
By Chidoro.
for Chidoro. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng Marne. Isaiah, too strong. Rebound by Blaser. Blaser, bounce pass. Mercado, and in and out. Oh, number 0.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. Missed the first shot. Second shot, basket, for Mercado.
By Mercado.
Running shot, and gets a foul.
Number 16. First personal foul. Second
Free throw
team
where?
foul. Basket.
First shot is good. Second shot.
Level.
And a rebound for Marne. Morales. And a steal. Pascual. Nagmamadali. Pascual. Blocked by Blaser. Mayono. And a steal by Isaiah.
Basket by
Oh,
Pancha.
basket for Pancha. Baba sa dalawang lamang, 65-63.
10 seconds. Rolling. Substitution.
That's a travel. Time remaining 3 minutes and 48 seconds. El Viola basketball. Isaiah kick out. Number 8, no good. Ayan na. Wala. Here comes on-in. Kick out. Isaiah for 3. Short. Rebound. Ayan na. 2 against 2. Side step. Mercado missed. Rebound by Isaiah. Pascual. Cross court. Pass to on-in. Pascual. Steal. By Mayono. Mayono nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Mayono. Basket. Time out.
Official
El
score
Viola.
67. 63 in Pedro Marne.
63.
Wala isa lang ang timeout.
67. Timeout
Remaining
muna
time,
ang El Viola.
and 2 seconds.
Wala nang timeout dito ang El Viola. Or lower Viola. Back to the ball game. Hindi natin magiging adjustment dito ng El Viola.
Back to the ball game.
Last 3 minutes. On in. Jump shot. No. Rebound. By number 7. Pass to Aquino. To Blaser. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Blaser. Blaser. Pass to Mayono. Catch and shoot. Short. Rebound. Ayan na ang El Viola. Bounce pass to Onin. Onin drive. Basket. By Pascual. Ayan na, dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng El Viola. Mercado for 3, wala, rebound. Makuha rito ng El Viola to tie the game. Number 8, 3 against 3. Pascual, step back. Looking for his teammate. Ayun na. Oh!
Timeout, Marne.
Bilit-bitan. Ni Pancha. Timeout muna rito ang Marne. Tabla tayo sa 67. Natin ng Marne. Time remaining po natin 2 minutes and 7 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Humabol ang El Viola. Ayan na, natitirang 2 minuto at 7 segundo ng ating laban. Bola rito ng Marne. Blaser. Pass to Mayono. Floater in and out. Rebound by number 8. Ayan na, number 8. Nagmamadali. Number 8. Pass pass. Pascual! Basket! What a nice move para kay Pascual. Change favor. Aquino, kick out. Blaser, bounce pass. Aquino, block. And a steal by Blaser. Blaser, kick out. Mercado, back to Blaser for 3. Goal! Oy! But there's a foul, number 13.
1 minute and 10
Aquino.
seconds.
That is 13 foul for Marne.
Foul number 30. Second personal foul.
Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Substitution.
Pascual coming in. Nagpahinga muna dito sa number 8 for El Viola. 69, 67. Di kita na ang ating laban. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Sino kayang tatanggaling third place ngayong season sa ating Barangay St. Joseph Basketball League? Number 7, drive, kick out, steal by Blaser, outlet pass, Morales all the way, basket is good.
1 minute and 3 seconds.
Tabla tayo sa 69. Ayan na si number 7.
55 seconds.
Last 55 seconds.
10
Number
seconds
7.
shot
10 seconds shot clock. Number 7 for 3. Wow, wow, wow.
10 seconds.
What a dagger 3 for number 7. Ayan na, last 44 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Pascual. Oh, and a steal. Blaser. Pass to Mayono. Wala. Rebound by Morales. Mercado. Monti ka na. Para kay Mercado. 3-point game for Mercado.
First personal foul.
It's a crucial free throw for Mercado. Jersey number 66. Ayun na, makipapasok kaya?
Basket.
Oh, basket. 70-72. Mabasa dalawa. Second shot, mula. Nagse-celebrate na ating Viola. Second shot for Mercado. Mercado miss. Rebound. Makuha ni Mercado for 3. Shot. Rebound by Blaser. Ayun na, gets a foul.
Foul. Number 35.
It's a foul.
Personal foul. Penalty.
El Viola under penalty situation. Last 13 seconds. 2 shots para sa Marne. Crucial free throw para kay Morales naman sa free throw area. Morales,
Basket
bang!
by Morales.
Ayan na. Isa na lang. 71-72. Last 13.3 seconds. 8 seconds rather. 13.8 seconds. Second shot para kay Morales to tie the game. Morales, bang! Tap na tayo.
All 72.
What a nice shot there para kay Morales to tie the game. All 72. Time out muna ang El Viola. Ayan na, ayan na. Magkakaalaman na tayo sa 13 seconds remaining ng ating fourth and last quarter. And shoutout po sa aking nanay, Mama Seni para Florida. Ayan na, ayan na. Hold on guys, hold on. Last 13.8 seconds. All
13 seconds.
72.
Remaining time 13 seconds.
Sino kaya ang bibida para sa both team? 13 seconds remaining. Bola ng El Viola. And gets a foul.
Foul number 30.
Wala pang foul, wala pang
Hey,
penalty.
personal foul.
Last 12
13
seconds.
foul. 12 seconds. 12 seconds.
Last 12 seconds remaining. Sino tatanggap para sa El Viola? Pascual with the ball. Pascual, stop and pump, short, rebound. And out and pass, and a steal. Oh!
Time.
Del ball daw. We have an overtime. Ayun, sa mga si Gap po. Gap, overtime tayo. Okay, mag-out muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa overtime.